Sing pon the hands free. 15 cool the shanty. I sing like the Grand Prix. She fling off the panties, oh, and them things extra fancy. She know just what she came to do.
Hey guys, I'm gonna do really cool, funky, colorful glitter makeup tutorial today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So here's me doing peace signs and then trying to be all cool, putting on my glasses. But yeah, I'm really not cool, am I? First, I'm gonna start by applying moisturizer to my face, and then I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape to prime the eyelids. I'm going to use a Rimmel Stay Matte powder just to set the eyelids. I'm going in with my favourite eyeshadow palette, the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I'm applying the shade Creamsicle in my upper crease. I'm applying this burnt orange shade into the crease and blending that out with a fluffy Morphe brush. Then I'm going in with the shade Royalty. It's like a deep purple shimmery colour, and I'm applying that in the crease with a precise Morphe brush and blending that out with a fluffier brush. Then I'm going in with the shade Twerk. It's a shimmery blue colour that is really pigmented. And I'm going in with the shade Jada. It's like an aqua blue matte colour, and I'm applying that on the middle part of my lid. Going in with Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm going in with the Flutter lashes in the style Intoxicating, and I'm applying that with some black eyelash glue and some tweezers. Then I'm going in with the Cover FX highlighting drops. I'm mixing my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation with my Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm using a Morphe brush to blend that out. I'm mixing two foundations because the Milani foundation is really dark for me, but I do like the coverage of the Too Faced foundation, so why not get the best of both and mix two foundations. Going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to highlight and brighten underneath my eyes, and I'm blending that out with a Morphe Beauty Blender. Is it just me, or is it so satisfying watching people put foundation and concealer on? I'm applying concealer to my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow and my chin just to highlight and brighten it. Then I'm going to set everything with my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade MC42. I'm applying my Desi Katy More Creamer Please lipstick. I'm going to tightline my waterline with the Rimmel waterproof eyeliner. I'm going in with the shade Jada and Creamsicle and applying that to my lower lash line and blending that out with a flat definer brush. I'm applying mascara. I'm applying my Milani blush in the shade Luminoso. Then I'm going in with MAC Give Me Sun and bronzing up my face. I'm applying Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy onto the inner corners of my eyes. Now for the fun part of the look, I'm applying these glitters using Too Faced glitter glue. I'm packing on the glitter using a brush, and just be careful not to get it everywhere because it does get really messy. I'm gonna highlight my collarbone with glitter, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And that's a completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
She fling off the panties, oh, and them things extra fancy. She know just what she came to do. She wanna live life Jumanji. Girl, you know I got just to play.